named you that? Your mom, your dad?
My godmother.
Your godmother?
Yes.
Was she on something?
I
She
don't
was
even
floating
know.
high.
She was
like, let's name her Leandra.
right.
And she passed on out. No. But it's a pretty name.
Thank you.
I mean, you work in that name.
I try.
For you guys who don't know much about Miss Leandra, Miss Leandra comes all the way from the Belt, with the Bible Belt, North Carolina, and you've been singing some really great music. I'm looking at this CD, and you know, it's so cool because your daddy, who's been really pushing your stuff, Bishop Alvetra Jones. You know, I always know when something's happening because he is like one of 3 people who have clearance on my Facebook page, and my people who monitor my Facebook page be hitting delete. I'm like, well, wait a minute, let me see what it is. Your dad pushes your stuff.
He sure does.
And I'm like, you better love your dad. I mean, good man in the whole
I
nine.
love him to pieces. That's so funny.
But congratulations to you signing with Ty Scott Records.
Yes.
When did this all happen, and how did you feel? And did you turn grand when it happened, or do you realize you still got to pay bills? Everybody's like, give her a minute to speak.
Right. Well, it happened back in May, and it was first a dream at first. When I signed the paper, but now it's starting to become reality and it's starting to kick in. I really don't show my excitement like when stuff happened at first, but you know, it's starting to kick in. And I'm very honored. I'm very humbled.
Are you realizing the responsibility that goes with that?
Yes, I am realizing.
I signed the paper. Everybody's like, yeah, baby. Now watch what happens after tomorrow.
It's been hard work, but I've been pushing it through. Yes, I have.
How long have you been singing?
Since I was 2.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
We're going to ask you to give us a little blurb a little bit later on. But for those who are just joining us, we're just so excited. We're here at the Bell Hub, and we've got Leandra, and we're so excited that you're here. But you're doing something also on Sunday. Where are you going to be on Sunday?
I'll be at Hope Ministries Christian Church on Sunday with Pastor Viren. I think that's his name.
Okay.
I haven't met him
before.
We're going to
figure it out.
Yeah,
but you got the church name down. We'll get that for y'all. It's always a test, you know, when the artists come through, you're trying to figure out if they know where they're going because y'all working so hard. But you guys stick around. We got Ruth Leandra coming up right here. I'm praising about 20 more minutes. Well, you're not going nowhere, are you?
No.
Okay. You got a whole new look. How long you got like cross on your ears? They're like a foot long. She came through the door holding the cross in both hands. I'm like, okay, are we really trying to remember the day?
These were the areas I was supposed to wear today, but
y'all stick around.